Are you a 6 or 7 figure business owner? Or maybe you've been following me for a while and you're interested in seeing how our system works to help business owners like you maximize your profit, increase your cash flow, and build more personal wealth. Let me flip this screen around. I'm going to give you a run through our signature solution of how we've helped over 1,000 clients create in excess of $2 billion in combined wealth. Yes, that's billion with a B. So we've basically got a process for helping our clients both build personal wealth on the left-hand side and grow and scale a profitable lifestyle business on the right-hand side. Let's have a little bit of a conversation around the personal side first. So in the center, what we're trying to create is financial freedom, right? For each person, financial freedom means something different. For me, it's about being able to do what you want, when you want, how you want, if you even want to do it at all. But the main reason why people don't get there is they don't have a plan. They've got an esoteric idea of what that freedom actually means, but they don't know how to get there. They don't have the cash. They know what they need to do. They need to buy property. They need to build a valuable business. They need to invest in the share market, get money into super, but they just don't have the cash flow in order to do it. And there's no consistency. Either that they're not making the regular repeated decisions that they know they should be making, or that they're too shy to do anything at all and they're just sitting on the fence waiting for the right time. Now, our philosophy on this is that there's 3 ways we create financial freedom. We need to define, and that starts with money mindset. We've all got a unique money DNA. There's a process that we follow in order to, that goes against the grain or with it. And for many people, they are trying to go against the grain when it comes to their money mindset, not recognizing their own subconscious limiting beliefs and roadblocks. We help them understand that first. Second, we support that with a real roadmap. We create a roadmap that documents all of their goals, dreams, and aspirations, both lifestyle and financial, over 20 years. And this allows us to then reverse engineer that into a simple strategy that shows them the decisions that need to be made in order to get them from where they are to where they need to go. So it makes it very, very clear. Then we create. Creating is ultimately where the magic happens. So we need to sustain surplus. It's not your earned income that makes you rich. It's what you do with it. So we need to make sure that we've got money left over to actually plan with. Then we need to destroy debt. This is about paying off bad debts, and it's about using debt in the right way so you can actually magnify your wealth. We then want to automate our investments. We want to create systems that allow you to take the guesswork and the manual implementation out of your investment strategy. And this is basically set on autopilot to make it really, really simple. And then we manage. We want to magnify our money. We want to allow compounding to work its magic so we can control as much wealth as possible to allow that snowball to roll. We then want to elevate our income. We want to make sure that we can increase passive income so you don't need to rely on your business so much. And then we ultimately want to reduce risk. We want to take risk off the table because we don't want to be going balls to the wall all of the time. We want to take the least amount of risk in order to create the outcomes that we want. Pretty cool, right? So then we've got the right-hand side, which ultimately the right-hand side is what fuels the left-hand side, right? Because as in business, that's going to be the vast majority of the cash flow that you need in order to build personal wealth. So in the center, we have the F4. And this is our definition of a true lifestyle business, of being able to produce 400 grand a year in profit, working 4 days a week, 44 weeks a year, and fast tracking your way to $4 million in net wealth. The same reasons apply why people don't get there, is that they don't have a plan to get there, they don't have the cash to get there, and they don't have the consistency to get there, and we help them overcome that. Now, we believe that in order to create a profitable lifestyle business, there's only 3 things that you focus on. You focus on profit. So we need to get the right positioning in the marketplace. How do you make sure that you are the logical and best choice in your market? So therefore, you are not seen as a commodity. You are seen as the only logical best choice. Premium pricing, that we charge a price that is conducive to producing the profit that we desire. There's so many business owners that guesstimate their pricing and wonder why they have no profit, right? We help our clients design a financial operating system that ensures that their pricing allows them to get paid what they deserve and make a great profit. And then we want consistent cash flow because cash is king, right? We want to ensure that we get off the roller coaster and we remove the lumps from the cash flow. Next is time. We want to make sure we've got robust rules because your business will never outgrow you. I see so many business owners creating a business that is there to pat their ego, and they end up becoming their own worst enemy. They never outgrow those self-limiting beliefs. So we want to make sure that we've got rules that allow you to grow and scale. Then we want to create scalable systems. We want to identify what are the areas in your business that are cash flow bottlenecks, largely you, and we want to make sure that we can create systems that support financial scale. And then we want to design the dream team of working out the numbers between how we can actually afford to hire the right and best people that are going to allow you to buy back your time. And then lastly, we've got freedom. We want to protect our profits. We want to make sure that the business is producing profit first, not last. We want to make sure that we can distribute dependable dividends because you deserve to get 2 paychecks. You deserve to be paid for the work you do in your business and for the risk you take for owning shares in your business. And then we want to have a smart succession plan. This is about making sure that we can work out towards an exit plan. How do we actually sell your business one day and allow you to realize a substantial amount of money that can accelerate your wealth on the left-hand side? And succession can work in a number of ways. We've got clients who put their business under management and just take passive income. And there's multiple ways we go about this. So this is our system. So this is our whole philosophy around how we grow and scale profitable lifestyle businesses that allow our clients to build more wealth. The idea is that money should not be a byproduct of what you do. It should be designed to be a non-negotiable of what you do. And if you don't understand how to make money work for you, if you don't understand how to design that financial operating system to make sure that you've got the appropriate structures and frameworks in place, then of course, money's always going to be an afterthought and your surplus is always going to be thinner than what it should be. So if you've got any questions about the system, let me know in the comments. Happy to cover them off. Otherwise, drop me a follow for more profit and wealth tips.